Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel, YouToocansew. I am Choma Nwosu. A lot of people call me Chimi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve flutter sleeves, just like what I'm wearing here. I find it very easy and very comfortable, so I'll be making it in the designs I've been making recently. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Like and share my video. So if you're ready, let's go into it. Okay, so there are two ways that I achieve a flutter sleeve. You can use a regular sleeve pattern like this, then do the slash method, 1 inch apart, and then spread it on another pattern 1 inch apart, taping it down, and then you end up achieving something that looks like this. Okay, so when you achieve this, you've achieved your flutter sleeve. All you need to do is to place it on your fabric on the bias and then cut it out. But there's another method that I use to achieve the flutter sleeve where I don't have to use the pattern. This is a freehand method, okay? So I'm just going to achieve it directly using my fabric. Okay, so to achieve the flutter sleeve, I folded my fabric on the bias. So I folded on the bias. So I am just going to measure down. I'm just going to measure down from here because this side is so narrow. I'm just going to measure about 6 inches down, and I'm going to just make sure that your line is straight, 6 inches this way as well, and then I'll draw a straight line to connect this one. Okay, so the length of my sleeve is 15 inches. I'm going to measure 15 inches down. Okay, and I'm also going to measure from here 15 inches this way. So I know where my sleeve is starting and where it's ending. From there, I'm going to just keep measuring 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Okay, so I'm going to just connect all the dots so that I can get a smooth curve. Now from here, I'm going to measure down my cap height. My cap height is 4.5 inches. So I'm going to measure 4.5 inches here, and I'm going to do the same because I want it to be on a straight line. Okay, so I'm going to connect these two places. Then I'm going to go ahead to draw a straight line from the cap height down to the beginning of the sleeve here. After doing that, now I'm going to just give it a curve, from here. I'm going to give a curve this way. Okay, so I'll give a curve inside, and I'm going to turn this around to give a curve outside. You see, it looks like an inverted S, kind of. Okay, now from here, I'm just going to cross-check to see if this part is going to take my arm. You can do that before. My sleeve arm, my round arm or round sleeve is 12 inches, and here I have about 8 inches. So definitely I have 2 inches on each side, which is good enough for me. So after doing that, I am going to connect this to this just with a straight line because, just to avoid the edges. Then I'm going to cut it out. So I'm going to cut out, just cut out like this. And then I'm going to cut out following the markings that I have already. And I'm going to cut the edges off. And we got the flutter sleeve. So this is how to achieve the flutter sleeve. It's very simple. Just make sure your lines are straight, and you can give a notch to the center so you know where exactly the center is when you're sewing, you know. And this is what it looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.